Look at this, a cloudy day that is very refreshing because the grasses and plants and trees are swaying. So that's why it's very cool even though it's a cloudy day, because there's still some partial sunlight that is coming from this one, that one. So okay, let's walk around in this early afternoon. That is almost mid-afternoon, so it's around 2:30 p.m. plus, and it's almost around 3 p.m. plus. So as you can see there, that's the view here from this hill, the SMC side, that is near the barangay of Mambaling. So that area is near the sea, so it's a bit hot in there, just like some areas here in Cebu like Talisay, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandawi that is near the sea. So it's near the reflection of the sea, so it's a bit hot compared to the reflection here of the grasses that is having some trees, plants, and grasses that is swaying because of the heat of the sun, so that's why it's not that hot. So that's the reason I went here, for the air coming from the trees, plants, and grasses compared to the air conditioner that I had earlier and the electric fan, so it's very different. Because with air conditioner is it's like a cold air in a certain area, like a four walls of a square or rectangle, like in Bisaya or Tagalog, like kulob, or in English, damp. Like it's just like a damp cold air, depending if the room is a bit bigger. So air conditioner really makes the room much more prone to dampness. So it's really nice that in creating houses, it's a bit like there's a second floor. So when the air will bounce from the hills and mountains, is it will just reflect some natural air, so we can much more save on the electricity bill, like putting on a electric fan or an air conditioner in the house. Yeah, this is what I meant. That one, this way. So it's really fresh. Look at this. So currently the grasses grew from the month of April and May, is there was no grasses in this area because it was summer. So the soil was really dry at the time. So currently the grasses are very long right now since it's the month of July currently. So okay, I will be going to the area that is having a balanced set of grasses. because I'm afraid that there might be a snake in this area and I might get a timing because I still don't have enough cash to pay for an anti-venom in a hospital in case I get bitten by a snake. So let us go to the area that has balanced grasses. Yeah, this is the area that I meant that is having a balanced grasses. Like the grasses is like balanced, like it's on the side, so it will create fresh air. And this is the path that is walkable for a person to go for walking or hiking. Then this is the other set of grasses also in this area. So at least to bounce back. Look, a dog. Yeah, but it's a good dog because one of the dogs of my mother is not good, the brown one. Her brown dog is violent compared to this one. It's very gentle.